Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to tell you about the cryptocurrency trading. I won't waste your time and move forward in the video. First of all, you have to subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. Today in this video we are going to talk about what is cryptocurrency trading and how does it work. Crypto trading involves speculating on prime movements via a CFD trading account or buying and selling the underlying coins via an exchange. Here you will find more information about cryptocurrency trading. So, if we talk about the CFD trading on cryptocurrencies, uh, CFD trading are derivatives which enables you to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements without taking ownership of the underlying coins. You can go long buy if you think a cryptocurrency will rise in value, or short means sell if you think it will fall. Both are leveraged products, meaning you only need to put up a small deposit known as margin to gain full exposure to the underlying market. Your profit or loss are still calculated according to the full size of your position, and leverage will magnify both profits and losses. In this video, if we talk about buying and selling cryptocurrencies via an exchange, then we are about to, when you buy cryptocurrency via an exchange, you purchase the coins themselves. You will need to create an exchange account, put up the full value of the asset to open a position, and store the cryptocurrency token in your own wallet until you are ready to sell. How do cryptocurrency market works? Cryptocurrency markets are decentralized, which means they are not issued or backed up a central authority such as government. Instead, they run across a network of computers. However, cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold via an exchanges and stored in wallets. If we talk about the blockchain is a shared digital register of the recorded data. For cryptocurrencies, this is the transactions history for every unit of the cryptocurrency, which shows how ownership has changed over time. Blockchain works by recording transactions in blocks with new blocks added at the front of the chain. Cryptography. Blocks are linked together by cryptography, complex mathematics and computer science. Any attempt to alter data. Okay, thank you. Bye.